When it comes to providing payroll services for your clients, traditionally there have been two options. One, do it yourself by hiring in-house labor. Or two, relying on a professional payroll company.
19th century as a means of making life easier. Funny how some things never go out of style, isn't it? Today, t-shirts have gone from being a fashion statement to a powerful marketing technique.
We give your accounting firm a way to provide payroll services easily while still keeping your clients. With our white label software, you get to be the face of payroll and set your own fees.
You had the tools and resources that would allow you to inspire your team to make the smallest changes. Well, we built it.
However, you now know the most common and fundamental corporate banking products that can help you and many others.
Diabetes patient. Arthritis? Over here. Heart disease? Over here. You here, you here, you over here. There's just one problem.
His shareholders say, cheers, we brought in nearly $300 billion this year. Our income's up 240%. But
2018 is in the books. Let's look at the results. IFS saw a solid 3.9% revenue growth, reaching up to $4.4 billion and a 5.6% EBITDA growth.